Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardal and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today we've got something slightly different to what we normally do on our channel. So what we're actually doing is removing a aftermarket bit of equipment, which is the radio in this particular example, and putting in a stock system. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out. So this is a stunning example of a BMW E34. We actually, as a company, removed the stock unit back in the day. It was around about 10 to 15 years ago now. We actually removed that radio and put in this Pioneer system. This customer has now changed his mind, wants to go back to a stock look. We're now removing that and reversing the system and going back to original. So it's just to create that original feel in the vehicle. Obviously it's a stunning example, and we obviously do different solutions in terms of classic vehicles. We've got 3 classic cars in at the moment as I'm speaking. However, we do loads of different examples, whether you want stock look or aftermarket look or completely hidden solutions. The best thing to do is head over to our website, book an audio consultation with us, and we'll actually go through everything step by step in terms of whether you want a stock look, aftermarket, and what sort of sound or upgrade that you're looking to have in your vehicle. So we just wanted to give you this little video, basically just to show you guys that you're not always going for an aftermarket look with us. We can also do stock looks as well, like we have done today. So if you're new to our channel and you like this video, make sure you press the subscribe button below. But thank you very much, guys, for supporting us, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.